Hi guys, today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I wanted to put together a video for you with a bunch of really great wig related Black Friday deals. All right, so the first deal I have to tell you guys about obviously is my Black Friday deal. So my Black Friday deal is going to be starting on Thursday. It's gonna run all the way through to Monday, and you're gonna be able to get 25% off of my wig sprays and or my wig brush. So all you're gonna have to do is put in the code CARE25 at checkout. Just add whatever you want to your heart's content and you're gonna get 25% off. It's a great time to try my spray and try my brush. I'm gonna go ahead and put my video right here to show you guys a little bit more about my spray and brush if you don't know anything about it yet, but it is a, I think, must have for any wig wearer, and you're just gonna be able to take care of your wigs and you're gonna get it at a great deal. The next deal is from a fellow YouTuber, Akoya. She owns the company Silky Sacks, and she has a ton of really awesome wig care products, as well as her Silky Sack, which is a really great bag for you to put your wig into, to store it, to travel with it, and just make sure that it lasts forever. Her discount is gonna be 20% off her whole entire site, which is an amazing deal. And all you have to do is put in code THANK at checkout and you'll be able to get all those great discounts on all of your wig care needs. Another really great deal we have here is from Uni Wigs. They're actually running their deal starting today, so you can go ahead and go check this out right after you finish this video, and it's gonna run until the 30th. They're doing a couple different things. So they have 25% off of all of their human hair wigs. So if you're into human hair wigs, there is definitely a discount for you for that. They're also doing 25 to 50% off all of their synthetic wigs. They have some really great synthetic wigs. I did an out of the box with one of their wigs if you wanna check that out. Their wigs are really, really great quality. If you're looking for a synthetic wig, 25 to 50% off is an amazing deal. They also sell toppers, and their toppers are gonna be between 25 and 30% off. So make sure you head over to their website. Again, a ton of really awesome deals running all week long. Silver Lace is also doing a really amazing deal starting today, and it's running through till the 28th. It's going to be up to 30% off of their Silver Lace collection. So if you are just a regular customer going to check them out, you're gonna get 25% off of all of their Silver Lace collection. But if you are a VIP customer with them, you're gonna be able to get 30% off, which is just even better. Wigtastics is doing a really amazing deal. I'm super excited for this one. She's gonna have 35% off site-wide from $11.25 to $11.27, and you're gonna use the code BFDeals35 at checkout for that. She's also doing a really awesome deal that I think is probably better than 35% off. If you spend $100, you're going to get $15 off of your next order. So you can use that for a future purchase later on. Wig Envy by Laura Johnson is another really awesome Facebook-based wig company who has some really, really great deals for you guys for Black Friday. She's doing any lace front, buy one and get one half off. So usually they're $155 each, but you're gonna get 2 wigs for $235. Another deal she is doing any 2 synthetic wigs for $200, and that is including shipping in the US, which is a really awesome deal. You're getting 2 really great high quality synthetic wigs at $100 a pop, and you don't have to pay shipping. Another really awesome thing that she is adding on here is she is doing a $40 flat rate for any customization. They have an in-house professional wig stylist who can do any kind of alterations or anything like that, trim bangs, whatever you need, and that's gonna be $40. So you can add that to any of your wig purchases that you make with her. Another great deal that is going on is with a brand called Emo Wigs For Everyone. She is on Facebook and Instagram, and she is going to be doing a deal starting on the 23rd where she's gonna be having buy one, get one on all of her wigs half off. So if you buy a wig from her, you're gonna get a second wig for half off, which is an amazing, amazing deal. She has some really fun, cool colored synthetic wigs, and she also has some human hair and some blends. So she's got something for everyone. Nells Wigs is gonna be doing 10% off of any order $100 or more, and she's also gonna be giving you guys one of her wig brushes. She is located in Salt Lake City, Utah, but she also sells online, and she is so awesome and amazing. She will answer any questions you have. She's just a really great person, and she really loves what she does. All right, guys, so those are just a few really great Black Friday deals out there. If I forgot one, or if you know of a really great one, put it down in the comments below so we can check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and happy shopping.